Hey guys, Edward here from the Forex Life with your weekly Forex reviews, on the lookout for some potential opportunities in the Forex market. We will kick off this week's review with the NZDUSD, and we are on the daily chart. We can see right off the bat that in the recent past, this pair has tested the 6870 zone 3 times. That is a zone that is a great point for resistance and also for a possible turnaround in the marketplace. We can see that last week there was a move to the downside. This week could be more of the same, and the pair could move down to the previous low, or it could move all the way down to the zone at 6580. If the pair does move down to the 6580 zone, this is a great area to look for potential move back up to the upside. This could take us back to the previous highs, or could potentially take us back to the 6870 zone. The next chart is the EURUSD daily. The first thing you can see is that the pair is testing the 1.11440 zone. It is clear that the bears were fighting all of last week, but this zone is a good area to look for a potential turnaround to the downside. We could see a possible pullback to the previous lows, which have formed a point of resistance, as we can see here and here. If there is a bearish push, we could see a move all the way down to the strong resistance point near the 11110 zone. The next pair we'll look at is the EURCAD on the daily chart. There are two zones we'll look at this week. The first is the 15108 zone. Should the market move into this zone, it's a great area to look for potential bearish evidence with a possible move to the downside, all the way down possibly to the 146,120 zone. The other zone to look at is the 146,120 zone, which is an area to look for potential turnaround. Should the pair move into this zone, we'd be looking for potential move to the upside, where there could be a possible move all the way back to the 15180 zone. Our final pair this week is the USDJPY, and we're on the daily chart. The first thing we can see is the pair is already in a downward trend. Because of this, we're on the lookout for some possible pullback zones, or looking for a possible continuation lower into the downward trend. The main zone we want to look at this week is the 111,270 zone. This is an area for a potential turnaround in the marketplace. Should the market bounce back to this point, we want to be on the lookout for bearish evidence with a potential movement to the current low point, or even potential to move further down, continuing with the bearish trend. If you enjoyed this review and wish to know more about the Forex market, please give us a like or a share on Facebook at the Forex Life.